Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to find the right type of product idea or how to find the niche ideas for your creative Fabrica shop, because I have already made a video talking about what actually sells on the creative Fabrica and what you can upload. If you want to check that video out, you can check that video in the card section above guys. But in that video I talk about if you want a separate video of me showing you how to find the niche or how to find the product idea that's selling onto the creative Fabrica. So I got a few of the comments and people were saying that they want such type of videos. So here I am guys, another junk pack videos related to the creative Fabrica. Hop onto my laptop and we're going to show you how to find the niche ideas for your creative Fabrica. What are the type of product that are selling on them and how you can make more money with the creative Fabrica. Before going into the good part, smash the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now, and yeah guys, I have already made a free guide which contains 30 plus ways to make money online as an artist, as a graphic designer, as a print-on-demand seller as well. So if you want to check that free guide which contains top 30 ways, the link of that free guide in the description box below. After watching this video, you can download that free guide and can take a look of what are the 30 ways in which you can make money and all about it. So the link of that free guide in the description box below, you can download it completely for free. Now let's get straight to my laptop. So we're just gonna go over to this section, and if I just scroll down, you're gonna see a bunch of the bundles on the front page of the creative Fabrica, and these are selling so well. You can take an idea, like there is a popular fonts. What are the fonts that are quite popular if you are creating the fonts, and you can very well take an idea from it, like this type of font is popular, these type of fonts are popular, and you can take an idea. Then there is the popular graphics, so you can see pastel mixed types of backgrounds are quite popular, so you can create a pastel type of backgrounds or digital papers. Then you can just take an idea, since Easter is around the corner, so you can see the Easter is right now quite in trending, so it's amazing way to get more sales by focusing on the trends and also to get more followers and more favorites for your products. So you can see the Easter is on trend right now, so you can very well go for the Easter as well. And these are the different types of thing guys. You can just take an idea what's selling. So here it's a baby saying newborn SVG, so this type of thing is quite trending. So if you are into that, then the Mother's Day is also in trending right now, so you can create it around that as well. Then the summer landscapes, if you are in the travel niche or something like that, then you can create the travel landscapes and beach wallpapers. So these are kind of like in the PNG and the JPEG. So if I'm just going to click over there, let's see what's there and how the best thing for you to actually go and hop up onto that. So it's like use like a standard background, so perfectly fit backdrops, and so these are in the JPEG and PNG. That means the PNG and the JPEG files right now are in trending, along with using with the travel niches. So this is a background that's a summer background niches, and it's a more of a like a travel area. So they have the 8 PNG and 8 JPEG, and these are the elements, so you can get an idea what's selling on the platform, what file format is it, what is the type of the sizes, like they have the 6 into 6 inches and 8 into 10 inches. So you're getting an idea and you can prepare your product according to it, and see that since this type of niche is trending and this is this file format, this is the type of the size, so I can also make it and I can more add backs and shop and all that. Then you can very well make the similar type of fonts design which is related to the crafts design. I guess this would be more in the SVG format, but then you can have the PNG format as well, or JPEG, whatever file format you have. So you can see this is actually selling on the platform. So you can create the bunch of the codes and can pack all those codes together and can create a craft design and can sell on the creative Fabrica. So in this way, you know that it's selling on the platform, so that's why you can also create a one. Now moving on, let's see here. The glitter type of stuffs are also popular. The SVG version is there. So if you're creating a digital papers or graphics or kind of like a digital glitter papers, then you can also sell well on the creative Fabrica, because you can see from this listing that people are coming onto it and buy that. So you can take an idea from the first page, like the home page of the creative Fabrica itself, like what's selling, because they're just gonna put only those designs on the top of their first page, which are selling on the platform. So you can see this type of design is selling. This is a file format, this is a file size. So I'm going to upload a product that is quite similar to the same niche or file format or the size. So this is the way you can take an idea. Like right now, these are the embroidery stuff, guys. So if you are a person who are more into the embroidery and who create the embroidery design, then you can very well go with that. Let me just pick up one and let's see what file formats like. These are the different file formats, guys. I'm not in the embroidery niche and I'm not an embroidery artist, so this is something new for me. So I can tell you guys, if you're an embroidery artist, then this platform is amazing for you. 189 favorites, that's quite awesome. So this is the type of thing, guys, you can test out with the different ideas. Now this is the one way to check out what's selling on the platform, what different type of products. So you see the graphics are selling, the digital papers are selling, the fonts are selling, and different types of things, the embroidery designs and all that. Now another way to see what's selling on the platform is by this bar. So I'm just going to go over there. I have already talked about the fonts, and you can just go very well into each and every font and see the what's are selling. But I'm going to go into the graphics because this is the area that's quite interesting to me as well. Because although I'm working on the fonts right now, but I'm more interested in the graphics. So I'm going to talk about the graphics. So I'm just going to go into the illustrations, and we're just going to talk about the what kind of illustrations you can make target. And if you're creating just a simple illustration, then it would be a little bit more difficult to actually rank because there are so many illustrations on the platform. So what you can do to rank that? The first thing is the trends. You can see these are the Easter eggs around the corner. So all these things are in the first page of the illustration because these are related to the trending design. So you can see what are the latest holidays coming, what are the latest seasons are coming, and what is the trending right now. You can make a design related to that particular niche. So that is a one way to go for that. This particular shop, that's a celebrity graphics, celebrity graphics are creating the graphics related to the Easter. So that's in trending right now. That's why they are on the first page of the Creative Fabrica. But make sure you note that trending designs would be in the trend as long as that trend is in there. And when once that trend is gone, once that holiday is gone, then you will going to see a big drop in your sales. So keep that thing in mind while using with the trends. But that's the one way to go and finding the niches. Another way I'm gonna see what's there. So if you're creating a hairstyles, different types of graphics illustration on the hairstyles, then also you can go for that. These are all the Easters, guys. You can see the trends thing are on the first page. These are all on the Easters. Then retro designs. Okay, so these are kind of like a girly designs. Another one is the Easters. So this is the honeybee. So that means the animal clip art or animal illustration are also common. So if I'm gonna just go over to the search bar and type for the honeybee illustration and see how many results pop up by that. 291 results. So that means the competition is not that huge, but let me see if there is a demand or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click onto one of these products and see their favorites. If they have the more favorites, then I can expect that this is in the great demand. So let me just click on this one illustration set and let's see how many favorites they have for this particular product. If this is the honeybees kind of like illustration is not that popular if you actually target the keyword honeybee illustrations. That means they don't have that much competition, but it's quite in demand. You can see the 11 favorites for this particular illustration set. Let's check for the digital papers, honeybee digital papers, and let's see how many have. So they have 26 favorites. That means you can target the honeybee. It's not too competitive. Only 291 results for the keyword honeybee illustration. And they are having favorites for the products, for the individual products. That means this one is in the demand as well, and the competition is low. So you can go for the honeybee type of niche design ideas, your craft design or the t-shirt design or the fonts or whatever one you're targeting. Another thing I'm going to talk about the KDP engineer because I got a question about that only. What exactly the creative how you can sell on the Creative Fabrica the KDP interior. So I'm going to talk about this thing. So you can see here on the graphic section there is a section that's the KDP interiors niche right now onto the Creative Fabrica. Only 6,792 in comparison to the illustrations. They were having hundreds and thousands of illustrations. But the Creative Fabrica, the KDP interior is not that huge. But if I just see what exactly, you can see on the first page itself, they have more of the coloring book, and Easter is around the corner. So again, going for the trends, and the coloring book is quite popular. These are all the coloring book, guys. Easter coloring books. These are all the Easter coloring books. You can see all the coloring books are there. Then you see the dinosaur, the Easter activity pages. Then let me just scroll down and see more what's there. This is a small business order logbook. Then another one, just scroll down, you can see the different coloring pages. So coloring pages are quite popular right now related to that, as well as the normal KDP. This is a wedding planner. This is a wedding planner. Then this is a pregnancy general logbook. Then scissor skill and coloring logbook, coloring book again. Same, guys. This is in quite trending right now. The coloring books are on the first page. So that means the coloring books are selling well onto the Creative Fabrica. This is another gratitude general. So this is the category, guys. You can see and check it out. And this is a way to find out what's selling onto the Creative Fabrica, what you can target, what you can make your product around it, and all that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, guys. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about today's video. Do you really enjoyed it? Are you selling onto the Creative Fabrica? What's your views about it and everything related to it? Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you in the comment section above, guys. In the comment section below, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.